Hey, welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to show you a fun way to demonstrate the difference in density by using Orbeez. Check this out. All you need for this demonstration are Orbeez Alka-Seltzer tablets, a glass of water, and a large 4,000 milliliter flask. Begin this lab by soaking your Orbeez in a glass of water for about 2 hours. Orbeez are made of a super absorbent polymer, allowing them to grow about 100 times their original size. Now, as those Orbeez are absorbing water, think about density. Density is mass divided by volume. It's the amount of mass that can fit in a given amount of space. So as those Orbeez are absorbing water and they get larger, think about how their density is changing. So when an object sinks in water, we would surmise that that object has a greater density than the water. So when I see my Orbeez sinking in my flask, I know that they have a greater density than the water in my flask. But what do you think will happen if I add an Alka-Seltzer tablet? Let's see what happens to our Orbeez. It looks like our Orbeez are rising in our solution. I can see that the tablet is releasing bubbles of carbon dioxide gas, and it looks like some of those bubbles are affecting the Orbeez that are nearby. There's an Orbeez that's rising up. Looks like they almost get to the top, and then they start to fall again. So what's happening in this investigation is that some of those carbon dioxide bubbles are attaching to the Orbeez and reducing their density so they can float until the bubble of carbon dioxide pops at the surface, and then the Orbeez becomes more dense and it sinks again. There's an Orbeez rising up. If you look carefully, you can see little bubbles of carbon dioxide attached to the Orbeez as it rises in the water. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time.